feeling drained despite your best efforts to eat well. It's a frustrating paradox many of us face. You diligently eat your protein-packed breakfasts, fill your plate with vibrant veggies, and enjoy your daily fruit, yet persistent fatigue lingers. You're definitely not alone. Searches for "tired after meals" and "why am I always sleepy" are incredibly common, indicating a widespread struggle. But why does this happen? Let's dive in. Registered dietitian Ro Huntress points out that several factors could be at play, including minor inflammation, ongoing stress, the phase of your menstrual cycle, or the general quality of your sleep. Stress, for example, can wreak havoc on digestion and nutrient absorption, while sleep deprivation messes with how your body processes glucose. However, your diet plays a significant role. Here are some sneaky dietary factors that could be sapping your energy. 5 dietary culprits behind your fatigue. Missing key nutrients. Huntress emphasizes that while healthy fats and proteins are crucial, your body needs much more. Essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and vitamin B12 are vital for energy production. Our bodies need them to convert food into usable energy, she explains. If your diet is low in these nutrients, it probably seems healthier than it actually is. Fatigue and a general lack of energy may be signs that it's time to review your nutritional intake. Poor food pairings. A seemingly healthy fruit smoothie, for instance, might leave you feeling hungry and exhausted shortly after. Sure, it's rich in fiber, but it doesn't contain much protein, Huntress notes. She recommends adding protein and healthy fats to boost satiety and sustain energy. Think nut butter, Greek yogurt, or seeds. This approach slows down digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and provides more sustained energy throughout the day. Inconsistent meal times. Your body operates on natural circadian rhythms, and finding the right meal timing is crucial. Huntress suggests that heavy meals right before bed can disrupt sleep quality by raising glucose levels. This is where the debate around intermittent fasting versus regular, moderate meals every few hours comes in. But here's where it gets controversial: what works for one person might not work for another. Finding your ideal rhythm is key. Dehydration. The importance of staying hydrated cannot be overstated. Even mild dehydration leads to fatigue, headaches, drowsiness, and lack of concentration, Huntress reminds us. Drinking more water daily can significantly help maintain stable energy levels. Excessive caffeine. That mid-afternoon coffee might seem like a quick fix, but its benefits are often short-lived. Overdoing caffeine can disrupt your circadian rhythm. While caffeinated drinks offer a temporary boost, excessive consumption can lead to disrupted sleep patterns, potentially making you feel even more tired. Huntress advises limiting caffeine intake to before midday. What do you think? Are there any dietary habits you've found that significantly impact your energy levels? Share your experiences in the comments, we'd love to hear your thoughts.